For a long time, smartphones have stopped being exciting. It has been the same glass slab year in and year out, with incremental upgrades and moving a few things around on the back of the phone. However, for Tesla fans, the excitement has just begun with the Tesla Model Pi phone. Apart from the insane specs, the Pi has another powerful weapon, which is its insane ecosystem. What does Pi ecosystem offer, and how deep is it? How would the Model Pi dominate the world with its insane ecosystem? Watch this video to discover more insane features Tesla phone has. Remember when people used to queue through the night when Apple was about to release a new iPhone? It used to be like a camping ground as enthusiasts would bring sleeping equipment to be the first to get an iPhone. While it is convenient to hide behind online reservations as the reasons the queues have disappeared, the fact is there is nothing to get excited about. That's not the case with the Tesla Pi phone though. After taking over the world of electric vehicles and solar panels, Tesla is taking on the smartphone industry, and as you can expect, the company led by Elon Musk has knocked it out of the park with its first phone. Feature-wise, there's nothing like the Model Pi on the market. The primary reason for this is because Musk is bringing all of the amazing technologies from all his companies to bear in the Model Pi phone, giving it enough edge over its competitors to dominate. This is just a fraction of the vast ecosystem that Tesla has tapped into to make it the most powerful smartphone, which we will get into in a bit. There is another fantastic tech on the Python some of the other phones have, but manufacturers simply don't know how to get the best out of them. Take for example, the cameras at the back of the Pi isn't the first to have multiple cameras. However, it is adding cool tricks like recording a video with one lens or snapping a photo with another lens. Similarly, other manufacturers have struggled to use an underscreen camera. The results have been disappointing, to put it mildly. However, Tesla's implementation will produce sharp and bright pictures. Now we get to the ecosystem part as mentioned earlier. The ecosystem available to the Model Pi phone is enormous and spreads across several companies. It includes Tesla itself, with top performance electric vehicles, SpaceX, which Musk uses to produce space-exploring rockets and other out-of-the-world endeavors, and Neuralink, which Musk uses to demolish the boundary between the human brain and technology. Now, we will take a look at what each of these companies brings to the Model Pi ecosystem, and how they make the phone special. For example, Tesla is a leader in the solar energy industry, with some of the most efficient solar panels on the market. It was a piece of cake for Tesla to import the technology into the Model Pi. This allows you to top up the battery with sunlight and not plug it into an electric socket. This is a feature you won't find on any other phone. Speaking of the battery, Tesla is bringing its battery expertise to the Model Pi phone, as Tesla cars are among the longest lasting models in terms of the driving range. Using similar technology, the Tesla Pi phone will have crazy battery stamina. Despite all the high-tech features, the Python can go days at a stretch without needing to charge. When you combine the powerful battery with the embedded solar panels mentioned earlier, you will see Tesla already has a winning phone in its hands. That's not even the end of the Tesla EV division's contribution to the Pi phone. Tesla is a master at EV fast charging, with its supercharger network spread all over the globe. It is building an even faster charging network of mega charges to charge semi-trucks' large batteries. By miniaturizing the tech and putting it in, the Model Pi phone will be capable of insane charging speeds. The electric cars that Tesla makes bring value to the Pi phone, and vice versa, making it a beneficial association for both products. Tesla already has apps on iOS and Android phones, but they are limited as they remain third-party apps on either platform. However, being a product developed by Tesla, the Model Pi phone has tighter integration with Tesla cars, opening up plenty of opportunities. For example, you will get more control over your Tesla car through the Pi phone. You can control all the cameras through your phone, and even see what they see in real time. You could be vacationing in one end of the world and monitoring what is happening around your car when you park. You could even take control of your vehicle if it is stolen. How fun will it be if you can override the thief and ask your car to drive to the nearest police station instead, with an autopilot with the doors locked, of course. Still coming from Tesla's EV business is chips or semiconductors, and while it may sound incredible, Tesla is now a chip manufacturer. Tesla's hand was forced because the chip shortage rocked the automobile industry. When Musk can't get what he wants, he makes it, and that is how Tesla now designs chips using new materials that make them more thermally efficient by using the chip in the Tesla Pi phone. It becomes a very powerful beast that can handle anything thrown at it. Tesla makes solar tiles that function as photovoltaic cells and the roof for your house. This can help you get off the grid entirely and manufacture your electricity almost free. With the Tesla Pi phone, you can monitor electricity production from far off, or even pause and resume the process when you produce excess power. You can store some of the extra in Tesla's battery energy storage systems, which include the Powerwall the Model Pi phone is deeply integrated into. With that as well, you can control the setup remotely. Through your phone, you can receive alerts when the battery is fully charged or empty in real time. Contributing to the Model Pi phone's incredible ecosystem is also SpaceX. You might wonder what a space company has to do with a phone, but this isn't the first time SpaceX will be helping out one of Musk's companies. For instance, SpaceX contributed the steel used in making the Cybertruck, which is the same material SpaceX is used to build the Starship spacecraft that will take people to Mars. SpaceX also helped with the propulsion system of the Roadster 2.0, making it the fastest production car ever. SpaceX enters the Pi ecosystem with its satellite internet offering, named Starlink, and like everything Musk does, it's interconnected. Starlink is meant to help Musk raise money to fund his Martian dream. The Model Pi phone has Starlink's internet baked in, giving it serious advantages. For example, the phone will have crazy download and upload speeds, for which other phones can only dream of. And since the internet is supplied through a satellite, it means anywhere you are connected, even in the most remote areas of the Earth, you will connect with your family and friends. One other advantage of the satellite internet allows you to use your phone even without a SIM card. You can send and receive SMS even when there is no cellular service. The people that agree to go to Mars, SpaceX plans to offer Starlink there, so all you have to do is have their Pi with them, and they will remain connected with our planet. The third contributor to the Pi phone's ecosystem is Neuralink. Many people, including experts, become squirmy when it comes to implanting chips in the human brain. However, Musk is only trying to help Neuralink, and has tried its tech in pigs, which read and display signals from the animal's brain in real time, as it moves about. It also has been tested in a monkey, enabling it to play a ping-pong match with its mind. Musk claims the technology has been tested not to harm the animals while implanted, and be safely installed and removed from the skull. Neuralink plans to start human trials this year, and there are volunteers already. The Pi phone has integration with Neuralink too, as the technology can beam signals from the brain to the phone wirelessly. This means users can control the phone with their minds without physically touching it. The Model Pi phone is powerful enough to interpret the signals from the brain and convert them into a language that humans will understand. No other phone can do this presently. Currently armed with this extensive ecosystem, the Tesla Model Pi phone will dominate the world. Let us know what you think about the Model Pi phone by leaving a comment in the section below. Thanks for watching.